Good morning, AI Trading Nation. Jeff Kaplan here. It's January 30th, 2024. Wanted to report on this morning's S&P 500 trade. At 9:40, we entered into a purchase of 10 S&P 500 contracts at 4950.75. And within the 5-minute bar, we achieved our $500 profit target. I'm going to switch over to the NASDAQ trades. We did a afternoon session. I set it up for 6 trades, $55 profit target per contract, $145 drawdown per contract. I was testing a new strategy. We did 1 contract. Approximately 5:10, we entered in the first trade, which is a short trade. We achieved our first profit target. Entered into another trade, another short trade at the second 5-minute bar. This was a drawdown, a stop loss occurred. That was a loss. We entered into our third trade. We purchased 1 contract. Profit target was achieved in the next 5-minute bar. Next trade was a short trade. Profit target achieved. 6th and final trade, profit target was achieved. We had 5 winners and 1 drawdown. Total profit today was $565. If you have any questions, please comment below, like the video, and please subscribe to the channel.